fucking Corona. Oh shit, what's up, guys? Since I can't do riding videos, just bringing you another update. Got all the fucking thin setup, all the border, replacing that. Got all this off, ready to paint. Got my buddy here. He's painting the roofs white instead of brown. And oh, let me leave that fan on. Yeah, all the roof was brown. Painting them white. Let the kids pick out their colors. That's next. Shut up.
What are you doing?
Yeah. House is a mess. We did cut the electricity on the other house, so we are staying here on air mattresses because we got AC. We just got kicked out of our room because Mr. Home Novelty over here is in here painting. What else we gotta do, sir?
Huh?
What else we gotta do?
Watch the whole episode of Joel Exotic.
Oh shit. Yeah, so that's what we got going on. Paint, and then we'll do floors. Carpet guy is coming Friday. Gotta take all these outlets off, all the borders. Having a blast, man. Fucking dust everywhere. Got my good friend here though. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go for another one. Don't tell my wife that's in there. But that's it. A little boring video. I just want to give y'all an update what's going on. Can't wait till it's done to finally get my bed, my lazy boy, my big screen, play some Xbox. I'm thinking a pool table will fit real good right there. Y'all take it easy out there. Stay Corona free, guys.